Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those of you that are yet or you are new to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. And also follow us on Telegram. You'll find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's take a look at WTI crude oil for this week. I want you guys to actually pay attention to the end because I'm going to do an in-depth analysis on what we should be expecting on WTI. So if you trade WTI, watch it to the end because I will explain for you. I will do top-down analysis on what we'll be expecting on WTI crude oil. But we will start from the weekly time frame. Now, before we actually go ahead and start from that weekly time frame, so those of you that are actually requesting for that online mentorship, we now have it here. Meaning, if you're actually a struggling trader, I mean, you trade WTI and you want to learn how to trade it like a pro, we will be teaching you, like how to trade it on the fundamental aspect of it, WTI, how to trade WTI on the fundamental aspect of this, how to trade it on the sentimental aspect of this, how to also trade it on the technical aspect of it, also the seasonality. When WTI moves the most, we can see there are sometimes that WTI usually go bullish. There is a particular period in a month that WTI will start falling. So everything will be taught, and we'll be teaching it between 1 or 2 months, maximum of 3 months. We will not be offering a 6 months mentorship or a 7 months mentorship or a yearly mentorship. Definitely, we will not do that. Within 1 and 2 months, you will learn everything you need to know on WTI. Maximum, if there's in case of anything, maximum 3 months. That will be maximum of 3 months. So, but in 2 months period, you should learn everything to become a professional in trading WTI. We will also be trading out teaching how to trade gold, Nasdaq 100, also currency, PS, and every other thing. Also, you will learn how to analyze it like a pro. How to watch out for the price action, the key level, the chart patterns, the strategies that works most on WTI, the psychology level, the trade management, for risk management. Everything will be taught. If you trade WTI, you are interested, then you will find the link to the mentorship in the comment section, or follow us on Telegram. You can DM the admin, so we'll put it through. Now back to this our analysis on WTI. Let's go to the weekly time frame. At first, we can see during this period of 2020, we all know WTI, we can say the crude oil literally went up. One of the reasons was, during COVID-19 period, right, whereby there was a lockdown, everything was actually literally increased. Fuel price actually increased. We went to the level, and we went to the year of 2021, and 2022 and everything. It got to the peak around this level here, and guess what, ever since then it has now been dropping. So now if you take a look at this, which means if you see, this is the first impulse move to the downside. This is the impulse move. Within this impulse move to the downside, we have lower lows, lower highs. We can see it here within this level. This is a lower lows here, this is a lower highs. We can see I'll spot another lower lows. This is again a lower highs, and this is here to be a lower lows. So within this impulse move, this is a lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, right? This first impulse move. Now we've actually gotten the correction wave. This is the correction wave. Within this correction wave, there's an higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? Within this correction wave. Now, guess what we are expecting is we are now expecting a new impulse move to the downside. So basically, in the long run, we'll be expecting WTI to drop, break a level of 67, drop to a level of 62, even break a level of 62. So by next year, we should see WTI be trading around a level of 62 or below a level of 62. So the impulse move for this next impulse move has now started. So for a position trader, this is your time to actually go ahead and take the sell and sell. Now let's go down to this. We can now see within this impulse move that we are expecting to the downside, we are now having a lower low. So we will see it as here, the lower low here. Or let's start from here. First of all, there was this impulse move here. This is a corrective wave. We had this impulse move here, right? This is the corrective wave. This is here an impulse move. Then we had this sudden massive drop that took out this previous higher lows. Then we had a pullback that came to test this level. It broke out from, right? And we've been getting this lower ever since then. We've been seeing lower lows, lower highs, lower lows here. This is a lower highs. Here is a lower lows. You can see this to be a lower highs. This here is a new lower lows that took out the previous lower lows, and this is a lower highs. So guys, within this week, this lower high should be over. We should be expecting another sell. So this week will be a sell on WTI. So WTI is now ready for a drop within a level of 76 to level of 77. Within those two levels, WTI should start giving us that drop. So only look to sell if it gets that sector. Probably we can start seeing the sell as when markets opens. As you can see on this 4 hour time frame, we are on the 20 period simple moving average, or it might actually push up a bit to give us this equal level here, and it will start dropping. By the way, WTI is literally ready for a drop. Anyone, it will start dropping between Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Within this period, we should start seeing a drop on WTI. More on this mentorship, everything will be covered. So once you subscribe to the Patreon channel, you will learn how to trade WTI like a pro. You can follow us on Telegram, DM us, we'll answer you, or go to the site and subscribe.